Update. I'm super excited today to bring you another update on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So this is the Eleko junction. This is Eleko section area. So this is a flyover that they are working on right here. So I'm going to leave you now to show you the area view. You can see the new development that's happening at the Eleko town right here in Eleko Beach Road. So this is a flyover that they are working on right now. Stay tuned and watch to the end as I'm going to show you the area view of this massive project ongoing on at Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and I'll be right back to give you more vital information about this great project here in Ibeju Lekki. Let's go. All right, welcome back to my channel. There's massive construction work ongoing right here on a daily basis at Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. If you check all my video that I did on the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, I've done the road tour from Victoria Island down to Okwaja, Ibrahim Adesoya, down to Songote Edo Monastery Road, and down to Iwerekun, just close by to where I'm standing right now. And from that Iwerekun down to Eleko Junction, Eleko Beach Junction right here, I've done the road tour on the Coastal Highway. And like I told you, that I'll be coming here to give you constant updates on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway so that I can see the massive developments ongoing on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. As of today now, you can drive from Victoria Island down to Eleko right here. But they are still working on the road, but you can drive down to this Eleko right here. But by the time they complete Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway from Victoria Island, Akwa Atlantic is going to be within 30-minute drive. I want to really appreciate this administration, most especially our #1 citizen of this great nation, Nigeria, or Mr. President, for this great initiative. We really appreciate you because this is a great project. I love what is happening on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway because this major project is going to open up the economy of this great nation, Nigeria, link it to different states in this nation. That's why I love this project. And like I told you, I'll be coming here regularly to give you updates as well progress on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. And in case if you have interest in buying property just by Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, property with a good title, property free from government encroachment, and based on what government said, before you can buy any property on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, you have to make sure that you leave 150-meter setback, 150 to 200-meter setback. If you see any property on the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway and it's not up to 150 to 200 setback, please don't buy that property. If you don't want to regret tomorrow, don't buy that property, right? So, but I have one property at this Eleko Beach Junction that's close by to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. I came to that property now that's selling for promo price. Also, there's another property along Coastal Highway for commercial property facing the Coastal Highway with 150-meter setback already, right? So it's free from any form of government encroachment or acquisition right here in Ibeju Lekki. So you can key to commercial plots in this location because that one is selling for promo price right now.